When you're delivering projects for clients, you want to be as consistent and efficient as possible. And one of the ways that I like to do that is by creating project templates within Asana so I can get started on a new project fast and deliver it efficiently. So let's go in the studio and take a look how I set that up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is sign up for Asana. So if you haven't already, go to asana.com and sign up for their free account. So once you've created your account, you'll be greeted with a screen like this. Now, I've already set up a few projects ahead of time, so I can show you in this video. So on the left-hand side, we've got a list of all of the projects that I've got here. So within this section, now I've created a heading project here just called templates, because within this version of Asana, I've got it set up as a workspace, and I like to keep my projects separate, and I like to put my templates within this little heading project here. There isn't a way in Asana to be able to group projects together unless you have an organization. So this is my little workaround just to be able to organize things a little clearer. So what I want to talk about is being able to set up your projects so you can quickly duplicate them to be able to start your projects consistently in a similar format across multiple projects, across multiple clients. So I've got here the website build template. So if I scroll up to the top here, the first task that I've got here is set up project. And then you can see within, I've got different sections, and these are just called headings. And these are the different milestones that I've set up for each of the steps of my project. So we start with onboarding, and then I've just got tasks within there for each of the steps within the onboarding process. So I'm just going to come down to the very bottom, and I'm just going to delete this section here, and we'll just rebuild this follow-up section. All right, so after launch, I'm just going to hit enter, and then I'm going to type in follow up, and then just use the colon, and then within there go step 1, step 2, step 3. And I'm just hitting enter between each of those just to create a new task. So you can easily switch between task or heading by just using the colon or deleting that. So you can see that creates a pretty nice structure to be able to set up my projects. Right, now when you're starting a new website build project, what you want to do is just duplicate this entire project, rename it, and then move it into your project area. So I'm just going to click on these dots to the side here, and then just click on copy project, and I'll just rename that to the client. I'm just going to call that client 3 website build. I'll keep all of these ticked the way they are. Click on create new project. Now what that will do is it'll put it at the bottom of my project list on the side here. So I'm just going to grab that and just drag it up into my project heading. I want to keep that in alphabetical order as well, just to make it nice and easy and organized for me to see all of that. And now when I click into the project, I can see the milestones, the tasks, and everything that I need to get this project done. So as we're working through the projects, you want to be ticking off the tasks as you go. So what I like to do is I like to be able to actually see what has been ticked off at a glance, so I can easily look across different projects and see the progress. So I'm just going to show you what Asana does by default. So just click on that, it marks it as done, and then it disappears, which is great, but as I said before, I do like to see the progress quickly and easily at a glance. So just coming up to the settings here, and where it says change view, and then go to all tasks, and then save view for everyone. So I like to set up my projects in this way so I can quickly and easily see exactly where we're at with each of the projects. So when I'm talking to a client or when I'm emailing them, I can just let them know what's been done, what we're working on next, and the overall status update on the project in just a few clicks. Okay, so as you can see, by setting up these project templates, you can get started faster and you can be more consistent when you're delivering projects for your clients. So I hope you found this video useful. Click the thumbs up if you liked the video. Hit subscribe if you'd like to be notified for more videos, and click the little bell icon if you'd like for an email notification to come out when we launch a new video. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comments. Until next time, I'm Simon Kelly. Go Elevate.